everyone, it's me, Lori, your positivity princess. No, I'm not wearing my tiara right now, but I don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna do this real quick time. I want to share with you guys 100 things or ideas of things you can do while you're stuck in the house with the kids or by yourself or with your friend or whoever you're with, your spouse maybe, whoever you're stuck with, whoever you're with. These are 100 things that you could do. I'm gonna get right into it. So before, as I go, please comment if you like any of the ideas or which one you're doing, how are you using this time for your benefit? And I want you to always remember that everything that comes to you is for a reason. It's not happening to you, it's happening for you. Try to see this in reality, okay? So here's the 100 ideas of things you can do with your time while you're in your home, okay? So number 1, watch The Mandalorian. Number 2, watch all the Star Wars movies. Number 3, read the book It, or some other large book that you've been trying to get time to read. Number 4, clean out your cantina or your cupboards. Number 5, rearrange your closet. Number 6, wash your car exterior. Number 7, wash your car's interior. Number 7, dust the entire house. Number 9, create a YouTube channel. Number 10, learn how to play the guitar. The one that's sitting in your closet, that one. Number 11, build that Lego set. Number 12, learn how to draw something. Number 13, sing. 14, learn the TikTok stairs shuffle. Be careful though, okay guys? This one's a dangerous one. Number 15, learn how to do tarot readings. Number 16, organize your underwear drawer. The one, you know the one I'm talking about. 17, write that novel that you've always wanted to write. Do it now. 18, clear out your email inbox, including the junk mail. I have 17,000 emails. Let's get on that. Number 19, write a poem. Number 20, sort out your jewelry. 21, read up on rocks and the rock cycle. Super interesting, Bill Nye told me it was. 22, learn a new language. 23, do an online course. 24, read up on the law of attraction. Number 25, watch all of my videos. Number 26, watch documentaries on Netflix. Number 27, do a home facial. 28, FaceTime with a friend. Number 29, call your mom. She would love that. I talked to my mom today. 30, make a big salad and eat all of it. Put kale in it. 31, write an old-fashioned letter. 32, knit. 33, write your Christmas cards. Why not? 34, delete 100 photos from your phone. Get rid of those. 35, become an influencer. 36, make an ebook and publish it. 37, play Super Mario. 38, play on your Xbox. Number 39, play on that PlayStation that's getting dusty. Number 40, play a game on your phone. Why not? 41, create an app. You know you have an idea. 42, write a song. 43, look for a new job if you don't like your job. Number 44, learn how to write using calligraphy. 45, make coffee. 46, learn how to say hello in 20 different languages. 47, deep clean the shower. You know you've been putting this off. We all have. 48, fix all the little dents in that drywall. Just do it. 49, learn all the lyrics of one song. 50, hang out with your kids. 51, do some lawn work and landscaping. As long as you stay 6 feet from everyone else. 52, make your own pickles. 53, read the Bible or other religious book. The thing you've been putting off too. 54, study the periodic table. 55, look back at your old university textbooks and relearn all that stuff that you forgot. 56, learn about the teachings of Dr. Joe Dispenza. Invaluable lessons in all of his lectures, so check it out. 57, learn sign language. 58, bake a cake or some cookies. 59, get that sewing machine out and make something. 60, learn origami. Even if you make the crane that can fly, I know how to do that. Maybe I'll do a little video and show you guys how to do that. What do you say? 61, get a stain out of that sweater. That sweater. 62, organize your sock drawer. 63, make your own vegetable soup. Super easy and so yummy. 65, bake a lasagna. Sorry, that's 64. 64, bake a lasagna. 65, make a collage. 66, make a vision board. 67, write a gratitude journal or start a gratitude journal. 68, draw the house across the street. They won't know. 69, think of 20 words that mean happy or good. 70, research what is happening what was happening 10 years ago today in history. I haven't done that. 71, read your horoscope. 72, do the plank for 60 seconds and then challenge yourself to do it a little more every day. 73, set the table properly. Set the table like the old-fashioned proper way. 74, sort out the cupboards by products. So like all your cans in a row, that kind of thing. 75, design a dress or shoes or a sweater. You know, design something like fashion-wise. 76, do yoga. Even you can find a beginner sequence of poses. I'll post one below. 77, make a paper airplane or paper boat. 78, curl your hair or straighten it. Number 79, clean up your own eyebrows. So instead of getting them done by somebody, do it yourself. See if you can. Don't pluck any big ones, okay? Number 80, learn how to do some sugaring at home. So all this stuff is stuff you would get done by an esthetician. What if you try to do it yourself? 81, sort through all of your books. Number 82, learn about KonMari method and purging your old junk. 83, plan out your meals for the next week. 84, find some recipes and make them calorie friendly. 85, make a bookmark. Art. 86, study meditation or just start meditating. There's no wrong way to do it. 87, go on Fiverr and see if there is a service that you can offer to make some cash online. 88, write articles for a website, again, to make cash online. 89, make some pottery or clay sculptures. Number 90, make some twilling or paper art. Look it up. 91, do some push-ups. 92, make your own tiara or crown, like I did. 93, do some gardening or planting. 94, make toilet paper roll crafts. Not just for irony, for fun. 95, practice counting by 3s, 4s, 6s, 7s. 96, learn how to make your own bed. Like, I don't mean build a bed. I mean like how to make it properly with like hospital corners. 97, take photos of items in your home that are beautiful. And 98, color some pictures. Number 99, make a PowerPoint presentation for the fun of it about anything. And then make people sit and watch it. And number 100, make a list of 100 more things to do, because there are so many things to do. People, don't be boring, okay? If you're at home saying I'm bored, maybe you should rethink your hobbies. Rethink how you spend your time in general. We've always wished for more time, and here it is, baby. Use it. Comment below, say, I will use my time. Or comment, this time has been a gift, and then tell me what you're doing with it. Please tell me, I'd love to know. If my list of 100 was useful, let me know. If you feel like none of them are helpful, you can tell me that too. I don't mind. Guys, I love you so much. Oh, be positive.